Hello and welcome to our video on how to earn money online from your mobile in 2023. In this video, we will be reviewing GetLike, an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing various tasks using your mobile device. What is GetLike? GetLike is a user-friendly online platform that provides an opportunity for anyone to earn money through social media engagement. The platform offers different tasks, such as liking, sharing, and commenting on social media posts, watching videos, and completing surveys. It's a great way to earn extra cash, especially if you spend a lot of time on your phone. How to sign up? Signing up for GetLike is easy. Simply visit their website or download their mobile app and create an account. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to a dashboard that shows all available tasks and their corresponding payment rates. How to earn money? To earn money on GetLike, you'll need to complete tasks assigned to you. The tasks are divided into different categories, and you can choose which ones you want to work on. You'll earn money for each task completed, and the payment will be credited to your account. Payment and payout. GetLike offers different payment options, including PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfer. The minimum payout amount is $10, and you can request a payout at any time. Pros and cons of GetLike. Like any other platform, GetLike has its pros and cons. Some of the pros include its user-friendly interface, a wide variety of tasks to choose from, and flexible payment options. On the other hand, some of the cons include the low payment rates for some tasks and the possibility of account deactivation if you violate the platform's policies. Overall, GetLike is a great platform for anyone looking to earn extra cash online. It's easy to use, and there are plenty of tasks to choose from. However, it's important to keep in mind that you won't get rich by using GetLike, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.